Dear friends, there are many myths or false beliefs regarding homeopathy which are far away from the truth. In this video, I am going to talk about what the false beliefs are, what the myths are, and I am going to explain what the truth is regarding homeopathy. Most people neither know nor accept homeopathy, but all people use it by instinct. When you hit your head against a wall, you apply pressure to relieve the pressure of the hit on your head, which is nothing but homeopathy. Almost 100% of people believe that homeopathy is the ancient and allopathy is the modern medicine. Homeopathy is the most scientific and the most modern, the maturest and the latest to come of all medical practices. The age of homeopathy is only 220 years, whereas that of allopathy is 2400 years and that of Ayurveda is 5000 years. The basic principle of homeopathy, the law of similars, is the faithful reflection of the Vedic dictum, Ushnam Vushnena Sitalam. It is in our way of living, which says a thorn is to be taken out by another thorn only. In Telugu we can say mullunu mulluthote tiyali. Animals too instinctively use homeopathy. When cows and goats are injured, they feed on arnica and other plants which are homeopathic to their injured condition. Yes, in homeopathic medicine, there are no molecules because homeopathy is beyond Avogadro's number, which is the number of units in 1 mole of any substance, defined as its molecular weight in grams. It is equal to 6.02214076 into 10 to the power of 23. Let us take the example of sulfur. The atomic mass of sulfur is 32. So 32 grams of sulfur contain 6.02214076 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms. So the homeopathic medicine beyond 12 centesimal potency and 24 decimal potencies don't have any molecules of medicinal substances in them. So biochemistry can't explain homeopathy, but biophysics, which is in infantile stage, can explain homeopathy. To tell the truth, homeopathy is so advanced that the modern science hasn't grown mature enough to explain it. Then, how does homeopathy work? In the process of potentization, alcohol, the common medium for all homeopathic medicines, gets magnetized by medicinal substance. So, biophysics explains homeopathy. There are biomagnetic centers in the human body that control human functions. Homeopathic medicine stimulates the magnetic centers in the body which restore health in the system. Homeopathy is highly individualized. Individualization is the life and soul of homeopathy. The same for all is the bane of homeopathy. Homeopathic medicine is not the same for all the patients in any disease. Like ready-made garments, there are no ready-made medicines at all for any disease in homeopathy. Treatment is to be tailored, taking the totality of the symptoms of each individual patient into account. In homeopathy, the curative remedy is selected neither on the clinical findings nor on the diagnosis, but on the totality of the symptoms of the patient. Single remedy application is the crown of homeopathy, which is to be strictly followed. Even if the patient has 10 symptoms, only one remedy is to be prescribed. Polypharmacy, that is, application of 2 or more remedies at the same time, not only spoils the case but also defeats homeopathy. Let us have a glance at historical purview of the homeopathic principle, the law of similars, which is an age-old and universal, found in different expressions in different cultures and lands. Historically, law of similars echoes in Vedic expression. Hippocrates, father of allopathy, knew it and mentioned it in his writings. He is the observer who introduced pathology into medicine, but Hippocrates didn't experiment on the law of similars. Paracelsus knew the law of similars and mentioned it in his writings. He lived in Switzerland between the years 1493 and 1541 AD. He is called a sailor. He introduced chemical as well as physical analysis into the practice of medicine. To experiment on and develop the law of similars fell to the lot of Hahnemann. He was born in Germany and lived between 1755 and 1843 years. He is called the experimenter. He discovered the symptomatic source of both pathologic and therapeutic diagnosis and thereby made the practice of medicine scientific, which is homeopathy. That is why Hahnemann is called the father of homeopathy. Not only that, Hahnemann is the godfather of allopathy because it was he who gave the name to it. He was the great experimenter and who proved 99 remedies. Thus, homeopathy is last to come with the refinements of law of similars by shedding the crudities of older medical practices. Thank you very much.